Hey, what is up guys, welcome to this video, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best apps like Photoshop for your Android phone. So if you are looking for some Photoshop alternatives for your phone, then watch this video till the end. First on our phone is YouCam Perfect. In photo editing option, it offers great editing things like tools, AI removal of things, effects, set background, apply animation, adjust the exposure, contrast, brightness, shadow, light, and so on. Also you can apply stickers. After all done, tap on save. You can check out the AI fashion option, body tuner, and you can edit the selfie videos. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our phone is PicsArt. This one is also great. Here you will see most amazing things. Select the free one and choose your one, and now you can edit it. Also you can apply object directly from it. Similar like this, you can check out the stickers. Here you can edit photo, video, make collage, apply effects, and so on. Also, you can see the challenges. Here you can see your profile. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this one. Third one is Photor. You can edit your photos, like applying effects, adjust the exposure, brightness, contrast, vibrance, saturation, sharpness, and much more. Also you can apply AI artifacts. You can crop, overlay the photo, AI expand, and much more options are here to edit. You can check out the AI cartoonizer and new sections. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Fourth on our phone is Photo Editor. Simple to take in use. Tap on gallery, select the photo. Now you can edit it, like managing the colors, curves, levels, effects to, frame, correction, denoise, pixel, clone, rotation, and a lot more things. By tapping here, you can choose the format and save it. Here you can see recent photos and you can check out the tools. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Snapseed. Too simple to use. Tap on plus button, then select the image that you want to edit. Now you can change the looks of the image. In tools, you will get vast amount of tools that surely blow your mind. The curves is too good. You should check out all the options. After all done, tap on export. Now you can save or export the photo. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.